Today let's talk about how to make Android volume louder than max. So if you're trying to make the volume on your Android device louder than the available limit, let me show you the way on how you do it. Now this will depend upon if you have the inbuilt tool or not, and this will also depend on the device that you're using. So make sure you head over to your settings, head over to sound and vibrations, and if this is a built-in feature inside of your device, you should be able to see the option called media volume limit, where the option would be toggled on by default, and you can simply drag the custom volume slider to the highest max. So this is one of the options that you can use, but if this option is not available within your device, then what you need to do is use a separate application. So just head over to your Play Store, search for this exact application, which is the volume booster. Make sure you install this application, and this is a lightweight and a minimalist application that you can simply use in order to boost your volume on your Android device. So these are the two ways that you can use to make your Android volume louder than the max. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.